should be. Woohoo! Dirty, dirty. All right, Ryan, I took your head off. What you want to do with it?
Of my car?
No, it's just a motor from the back.
This is that Ford motor in it.
Mm-hmm. Sure is.
This thing is
That
disgusting.
motor's been sitting there for like way too long.
Yeah, for what, 8 months now?
Possibly. Possibly.
So you've done the dirty work and now I get to do the easy part.
Yeah, pretty much.
I'm down for a challenge.
All right. So, tell me, what is the next step after this?
Well, we definitely need to start by degreasing it. So I'm gonna throw it in the Hydroblast Max to take all this grime off of it. I do want to see if I can remove this carbon buildup with 4,000 PSI. It's a potential. You never know.
I need you to clean my hands too.
You can put them in there, no promises.
It's gonna come out red.
Maybe a little bit.
All right, well then I guess I'll go ahead and put it in there for you, and then we'll go ahead and show the viewers the whole process basically. I guess he got it.
So what this machine is the Hydroblast Max. It is just high pressure parts washing. This one operates at 4,000 PSI. So any kind of grease or grime that's on your part, this thing's gonna easily knock it off. This is actually what it's intended for, is for blasting stuff like heads. Anything that would belong in a mechanic shop, this thing's gonna make quick work of it. It's a good idea to do it before you vapor blast, because this thing has a lot of filters that you actually can't incorporate on a vapor blast unit. So you're prolonging the lifespan of your media and your water in your vapor honing cabinet by actually hydroblasting it beforehand. An additional feature of the Hydroblast is after you finish wet blasting and you have that abrasive that's left over on your parts, the 4,000 PSI that this thing puts out is gonna easily knock off any of that abrasive. So it's really good to actually go back after you're finished wet blasting and remove all that abrasive and make certain that you have a clean part. So we'll see what this thing can do. Just like that, what, to it? A matter of 5 minutes maybe?
Yeah.
This thing is degreased. So anywhere you touch this thing, you're not gonna get any grease that ends up on your hands. The reason that it still looks like there's oil on it is because some of that actually gets trapped in the actual cavities at the surface. And that's where hydroblasting, because it doesn't have any blast media, it actually can't scrub the surface, it's just cleaning it. That's where vapor honing comes into place. And that's what we're gonna do next. This is our VH1000 HD. This is like top of the line industrial. The big thing is this machine is gonna get the exact same results that you can get in our hobbyist machines. It's just in a larger, more robust platform. So without further ado, let's clean this guy up. So you guys can already see where we're removing that gasket that was left behind. The carbon buildup that was inside this cylinder, or not cylinder, but on the bottom of the cylinder head, it's already gone. All of this just oil staining down here, it's already been removed. This piece is gonna look great, especially after we lower the pressure and do a little bit of burnishing. I mean, this thing's gonna be fantastic compared to what it was. From dud to stud, dude. Make sure you have sunglasses. This is where that carbon was, especially in these areas, and it took it off no problem. You can see in the actual, where the valves would sit here, you know how much oil was in there.
Guess what we're gonna do now? Throw in the Hydroblast. after vapor honing, we're gonna put this thing into one of our hydroblasts, clean off as much abrasive off as possible. So now I could really say that there's no abrasive.
Yeah, dude.
Stop doing that, dude.
There we go.
All right. I'm able to see it a little bit now.
So I hope this shows up well on camera. This thing looks phenomenal. It was probably 30 minutes of actual blast time, probably 10 minutes or so of burnishing, and then what would you say, 20 minutes of hydroblast to get a result just like this. And again, this is very repeatable. You don't have to hydroblast if you don't want to at home. You're going to be able to get results just like this. We just do it to do a little bit of pre-cleaning. It's better for the machine. But again, this right here, no matter what machine you actually get, whether it's a VH700, whether it's the VH1000 HD like we use today, this result is repeatable. That's because the process itself is so simple. It's just sandblasting with water. But again, you're lowering the impact of the abrasive, and you're also allowing the abrasive to actually flow with the water. That's why you can get down inside of the deep crevices and easily. That's why it's actually easy to take off the carbon buildup that was getting down inside of these passageways, because again, it's cleaning by flow rather than by impact. And again, this thing looks phenomenal. So if you guys are trying to do this in your shop, home, as a hobby, whatever it may be, you can call us at 828-202-5563. We can get you guys set up with one of these machines, or you can visit our website, vaporhoningtechnologies.com. We have all our machines listed, all the pricing. You guys can see exactly which machine fits your needs, and you can check out on the website. But again, our number is 828-202-5563. If you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up. We love to hear that back from you guys so we know what we need to be doing. And if you have any ideas for any actual videos, leave it in the comments below. We love hearing from you guys, and we'll make sure to try and deliver on those videos. If you guys have any parts that you want to send in, we do free application testing. So whether you're a business looking to see how vapor honing is going to perform on your part, or if you're just in your home looking to see if it's going to be applicable for the parts that you're blasting, send it in. We'll put a link to the form below, and we'll get that stuff blasted for you guys. But again, thank you all for watching. We hope you found this video informative, and we hope you have a great day. Peace.
Peace.